The last election was probably one of the most divisive elections in the contemporary annals of Nigerian history. Ethno-religious and regional fault lines were deliberately manipulated for political ends. But it is pertinent to mention, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, that the most northern of northern states is Sokoto. The Nigerian candidate lost by a few thousand votes to the regional candidate in Sokoto. The most Christian of northern states is Benue. Benue is 90% Christian. And the Nigerian candidate defeated the religious candidate in Benue State, courtesy of the Prince of Wanune, the mercurial George Akume and his team. The most southern of southern states, the most southern of south-south states is Rivers. Again, the Nigerian candidate defeated the religious candidate in Rivers State, courtesy of the enigmatic, mercurial Nyesom Ezenwo Wike. He's unavoidably absent. He had to go around to attend to some functions. And the Nigerian political climate is populated by careful snails who do not want to upset the apple cart. In the First and Second Republics, we have the Adegoke Adelabus, the Bosari Adelakuns, the Kingsley Mbadwes, the Sam Bakwes, the Abubakar Rimis, the Sabo Bakinzuos, the Aminu Kanos, the Abdelkader Balarabe Musas, the Bala Usmans. But now, the most colorful character is probably Nyesom Wike. Unfortunately, his coming to Abuja has robbed out of his theatrics. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the future of a great nation is not determined by the occurrence of a socio-economic challenge. The future of every nation rests on the intention, sincerity, and innovative ideas of its leaders and their commitment to implementing them. This is why President Bola Tinubu's 8-point agenda remains an oasis in a scorching sun.